Hey guys, Sebastian from Tacoma Lifestyle here, and today we have another install video. Today we have the all-new Tacoma Lifestyle Tailgate Molle Panel system. These are a super cool option to put on your tailgate of your truck to add whatever options you may need. A Molle panel is a super cool option to have anywhere on the truck, and I think that the tailgate is an underutilized place, and these steel Molle panels will be an awesome upgrade. Let me show you how easy it is just to install them. All right, as far as tools go, you're gonna need a Torx 30 bit and a screwdriver bit. Any way you need to use it, we're gonna just use two separate drills just for ease of installment. Okay, so it does come with a hardware pack to replace your OEM hardware with new hardware. The reason for this being is because the OEM hardware has a little spacer on the bottom that does not thread through the metal holes. So you use this new hardware. It also comes with two spacers. All right, so let's jump into the install. Okay, so you're gonna start by taking your Torx 30 bit and you're gonna remove all of the OEM hardware. There is about 16 bolts. And they should all come out very easy. So once you take all those screws out, we're gonna take our new Molle panels and sit them on the tailgate itself. Okay, so the logo side is gonna go on your passenger side to where you can read it laying down. It's gonna go there just like that. We'll place the other one. Just like that. Okay, to start putting them in place, we're gonna take the one with the spacer first. You're gonna place your screw into the spacer like so, and that will go on the inside of your tailgate. The spacer will go on this driver's side on the inside of the tailgate, and the other one will go on the passenger side on the inside of the tailgate, just to eliminate this gap. Put that over. And then go ahead and screw it in. Okay, so now you just do that same thing on this side. And just go ahead and place that in. Okay, so now you're just gonna screw in all the new hardware in the existing holes. And just like that, with a few simple screws, you have a whole new storage system that goes right on the back of your tailgate. It's completely cool, super easy to install. We love it. We want to know what you guys think. Okay, so that was a super easy install for something totally cool to add really cool storage option to the back of your Tacoma. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what are some cool things that we can mount on this Molle panel system. And if you guys want one for your Tacoma, be sure to hop over to tacomalifestyle.com where they're live on our website now.